Good morning, everyone, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. This is an urgent message concerning the development of an incident. I have several questions which might be also along with your inquiries concerning the situation in the Philippines. As of the moment when former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte was airlifted similar to kidnapping. On that day, the focus of attention and concentration by the Filipino people as well as the world leaders was on the personality of the beloved Duterte. This broadcast is a very strong invitation for each and every one of you because I'm already concentrated on this situation. Since that day, moment, of March 8, 2025, where was the President of the Philippines, Bongbong Marcos Jr., and the First Lady until today? The event about President Duterte requires, under practical situation, the presence, reaction, perception of the President of the Philippines, Bong Marcos Jr. It must be an alive, moment-to-moment coverage, monitoring President Marcos Jr. presence, whereabouts, reaction, and perception about President Duterte. It is no longer whether it is legal or illegal. What matters is where is the President of the Philippines since that date until this very moment you are hearing this live broadcast. It must be ascertained definitely that the country is a democratic, constitutional, presidential government. Today, this very moment, my question is, who is the President of the Philippines? Where is he? What is he doing? The sovereignty of the Philippines has been broken, and under the oath of the President, he is bound to defend the Constitution of the Philippines, what it says, what is independence and sovereignty. Where is the President of the Philippines? What is he doing now? Whether he is in favor or against the ICC matters most is his country, to which he took an oath to execute the laws of the land. Personally, I am asking the question, where are you, President Marcos Jr., this very moment? We have not heard any word from you. We have not seen your face, the First Lady. Your presence is highly needed. The great nations of the world, their leaders, they have expressed orally on the internet that they support President Duterte. You, President of the Philippines, what is your very first reaction from that date when Duterte was illegally and forcibly carried, who gave himself willingly? Where were you? Where are you now? Do you still need the strong force of the people to bring you out where you are? Are you hiding? Or something more than hiding happened to you, the First Lady and your companion? Not many Filipinos are aware that there is a blessed Filipino, a powerful instrument of truth, who stands for God's truth, was given by God the power to video record what happened to you, President Marcos Jr., the First Lady. This video has been diverted, not even given attention by many Filipinos, but it cannot be denied. It cannot be erased. We have a copy, and it has been going around rapidly. One can conclude through this video that it can only be confirmed and validated at the very place where it was taken. President Trump has not yet pronounced a direct reaction to this situation. Fortunately, dear friends, I understand some legal aspects in my private capacity as a private researcher. The laws on anti-drug in the United States is very strict. Please study this video and the personalities involved. It clearly shows the presence of you, President Bongbong Marcos.